Hello everyone, I'm Nana. Welcome to my story time. Today our story is all about animal babies. Animal mom take care of their baby. This mother Robin feed her baby. The baby bird eat worm. A mother kangaroo carry her baby. The baby kangaroo lie in her pouch. The mother hippo teaches her baby. She shows the baby hippo how to swim. This mother lion cleans her baby. He licks her baby to keep it clean. This mother bear teaches her baby. She shows the baby bear how to catch fish. A mother whale swims with her baby. She shows the baby whale how to swim up to girl. A mother sheep teaches her baby. She shows the baby sheep how to get bird. An animal that can take care of baby too. This father penguin keeps his baby penguin warm. He holds the baby on his feet. It is very cute. I am Nana. Thank you for reading story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.